Hailstorms don't always give you a heads up. One minute it's sunny, the next your roof's taking a beating. So if you're staring at a cracked windshield or shingles in the yard, you're not alone. And you don't have to guess your way through what happens next. Today, I'm breaking down 7 steps you should take after a hailstorm to protect your property and handle your insurance claim the smart way. Hey guys, I'm Cody Kovash. If you've been hit by a hailstorm, you're probably dealing with a bunch of questions. Is this covered? Who do I call? What should I document? So today, I'm giving you clear answers so you can move forward with confidence and avoid common problems that delay claims or cost you money. First, start with lots of pictures. Pull out your phone and take photos or videos of all the damage: roofing, siding, windows, and vehicles. Your insurance company will want a full record. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just has to be clear. Next, you must mitigate additional damage. So if your roof is leaking or your car's windshield is cracked, take steps to prevent more damage. Use tarps, boards, or covers. Insurers often expect you to limit further harm, or they might reduce your payout. Third, if you work with an independent insurance agent, get in touch with them as soon as possible. They can walk you through your options and help you decide the best way to move forward. Now, if you're with a larger national carrier like State Farm, Farmers, or USAA, things work a bit differently. Many of those companies won't offer advice before opening a claim. They just open the file and start the process. That's why it's often smart to get an estimate first. If the repair costs are lower than your deductible, filing a claim could result in a $0 payout. And unfortunately, even a $0 claim can still affect your rates. Independent agencies like Trailstone will help you figure out whether a claim makes sense before you officially file it, so you don't risk filing a claim that increases your rates unnecessarily. Either way, don't delay. If you wait too long to address the damage, your claim could be denied for not making timely repairs. And fourth, check your policy for wind or hail deductibles. They're often a percentage of your home value, so if you've got a 2% deductible on a $300,000 home, that's $6,000 out of pocket. For a hail claim on your car, comprehensive coverage is what you'll need. And next, this one's important. After a hailstorm, it's common for contractors, often called storm chasers or door knockers, to show up uninvited. Don't let them pressure you into anything, and avoid signing documents on the spot or letting anyone climb onto your roof without doing your homework. Instead, be proactive. Reach out to local roofing companies yourself, get multiple estimates, and check their reviews for credibility. Another thing to be aware of with roofers, and this is crucial, don't give any contractor permission to file an insurance claim on your behalf until you're confident it's the right move for you. And tip number 6, once the adjuster has done their walkthrough, ask for an itemized breakdown. If something seems off, ask questions. You're entitled to know how they calculated your payment. And finally, initial estimates are rarely the final word. If repairs reveal more damage, your contractor can submit a supplement. And if the insurance company's initial offer seems too low, you can negotiate. Just be sure to support your case with quotes from trusted contractors. The truth is, dealing with storm damage isn't fun, but knowing what to do makes it manageable. Stay safe out there, and remember, you don't have to figure this all out alone. Give us a call here at Trailstone. We're happy to help, even if you are not a customer.